My name is Lauren I'm part of the Pathways to Law Nottingham programme. I'm currently in the first year, I'm in year 12, doing A-levels in psychology, French and English literature.
I'm Natalia. I study psychology, sociology and politics in sixth form. I suffer with quite bad social anxiety, and I thought it would be quite challenging for me to go in an area where there's a lot of people. So it actually helped me do more teamwork and speak to adults and just speak to people.
I was based in Evershed Sutherland, which was a solicitor's law firm in Nottingham, and I found it a really good experience. I think that I learned a lot from it, and I think that I discovered a lot of things that I didn't think you'd associate with a law firm or even a solicitor's or anything to do with law, things that you have to learn by experience and things that law degree can't teach you. And I think that it really gave me that experience that maybe other people who haven't had work experience they might not get, and I feel really privileged that I was in that situation to be able to do that.
Yeah, I would definitely do a work experience placement. I think people take it for granted and don't realise what kind of opportunity it gives you. I always thought I wanted to do criminal law, but then when I went to do my work experience I was doing intellectual property and I just loved it.
Yeah, I just enjoyed the experience of shadowing the other law students, and it was good to know that there's different types of ways to get into law. So for example, there was someone there who did an apprenticeship, the Trailblazer apprenticeship, and I thought that was a different way rather than going into law from a university perspective or academic perspective, but rather to get a hands-on experience, which I think has only just recently started to come out.
When people think of lawyers, they think it's about debating and going to courtrooms and just arguing and stuff, but actually there's a different, whole different aspect to it. When you have to meet up with different people, you have to work with different people, and it's not all about going to courts or doing debates. It's actually some law firms don't actually go to court at all. They just do it intellectual property. They hardly go into court because they work with big companies, and it's more about the trademarks and copyright and stuff. So I would say that you have to be open-minded. If you got a question but you think it's stupid, don't be afraid to ask it, because it won't sound stupid to them.
My advice for future students would be to make sure to be punctual, have an open mind. Don't think that don't pressure yourself into thinking that there's a certain way you've got to go around it, but just be open-minded, always take on advice, have an optimistic outlook and perspective on the law firm, and I think that would just take you really far. It would just put you ahead of many other students that may have gone to do a university degree or apprenticeship.
I would personally advise that you apply to a law firm, because it's quite difficult to get into if you was going to do it on your own. Yeah. So, and then into a court you can go in any day.
I made friends on the programme as well, which was really great, who I think that I'll be friends with for life.